What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I've been at the pool. I had to run back up here, man, to pop at you guys really quickly. Check it out. Today we're going to talk about PLTR, but before we do that, please do me a favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure this video get at least 1,000 likes. And I want to say major salute to the 200 new people that joined the family, guys. Let's keep crushing it. Let's keep doing our thing. With that being said, guys, check it out. Really quickly, if you are in Vegas this particular weekend, today, tomorrow, Sunday, whatever it is, man, feel free to holler at your boy, man. I would love to link up, see you guys. If you are in Vegas, whether you're in town or whether you live here, let me know. All right, I'm already linking up with a few of you guys. I'll probably post some pictures so you guys can see how we get it in, okay? But with that being said, check it out. PLTR on today. At the time of this recording, it is up 9%. Sitting at $17.62 at the time of this, guys. This has been a play that matter of fact, do me a favor. If you have shares of PLTR, let me know down in the comments below. That's number one. If you have 100 shares or more in PLTR, let me know down in the comments below. And then do me a favor. Let me know if you have made money with PLTR this year, okay? With that being said, man, check it out. I've talked about this play at length because this is one of our stocks that has doubled, but that will double again because from where we got it, it's going to go to and through that $20 level, okay? And so, matter of fact, speaking of where it is headed next, guys, mark your calendars, okay? In terms of price targets, next stop for us in PLTR will be that $20 level. That big round juicy number is where we were going to be headed next. But remember, I taught you guys that nothing in the stock market happens in a straight line. So just like we got to 16, we had to pull back to 14. This is why I keep preaching the importance of making sure in a bull market you understand you have to buy the dip, because the stock is going to turn right back around and run up to the upside. Do not get trapped trying to short these plays in this market. Anybody that's talking down, anybody that's talking negative, most likely they're losing because they don't understand how to invest. They don't understand how to trade. They don't understand anything about the stock market, okay? But with that being said, guys, I need you to be focused and locked in. You need to be strategic with the moves you make, understanding what the market is trying to accomplish, okay? So as it relates to PayPal, okay, guys, you got things like earnings on the horizon. You got things like the inclusion of the S&P 500 on the horizon. You have a lot of tailwinds and positive catalysts that's coming towards this stock and this company in the future that is going to bode well for my investors. And that's for you guys that are holding this long term as well as my traders, okay? But with that being said, I want you to know level to level how this stock will get to where it's going to get to and why it's going to get there. And so next, we're headed to $20, okay? So that's that big round number I want you to look for. Maybe earnings might get us there. Maybe the S&P 500 inclusion may get us there. Or maybe some catalyst we don't even know yet may be what get us there. But nevertheless, that is where it's headed. So with that being said, now that we know where a stock is going, the important thing for you all is to make sure you have a plan. So for example, if you have this stock like us at $8 and you have this and you're up over 100%, you start thinking about, what do I want to do? One, you can take profit. Number two, you can continue just to hold and go through the volatility of the stock, meaning it's going to go up to touch 20, it's going to come back down to 14 and 12, it's going to go. You can be a part of all of that if you want to. There's no right or wrong. There's just about a preference in terms of what it is you want to do when you are making money in the stock market. I've never been the guy that preached hold forever, okay? Yes, I have stocks that I buy and hold forever, so to speak, but guys, I'm constantly making moves. I have, for instance, millions of dollars in VTI, but VTI, I've been in the market a long time. VTI has ran up to 434 and crashed all the way back down to 180 twice. Why would I sit through that when I already know the tendency of the stock market? So how come I can't buy $1 million worth, $2 million worth, $3 million worth at 180, ride it up to 235, take profit, turn that 2 or 3 million into 5, 6 million, and then from there take the proceeds and just repurchase it again once it gets back to 180, 190, or as I say to you guys, under 200. There's nothing wrong with that. That is just how you continually properly manage your wealth. Okay, I'm not the guy, I'm retired, guys. I retired young, and I'm not the guy that's going to let my money be tied up in the market because I'm up 100% and I just want to let it ride. No, when I'm up 100%, I have decisions to make. And if you rock with me, I know there are plays you have been in with me that you are up or have been up 100% in, whether it's in our option plays that we knock out the park every single week. Join the Discord for that, or join the money team, or if you are in some of our stocks. Okay, so the thing is, when you're up a substantial amount, that can be 80%, 100%. You determine that because you are the CEO of your portfolio. Okay, but when you are at those levels, you have to have a plan. The one plan I don't want you to have is, oh, I'm just going to let it ride and let it come all the way back down and go down 40% from my principal balance. Don't do that. A lot of you and a lot of people that I see complaining or running in the victim Olympics, that's what they will tell you they did. Chris, I ran up in the stock and then I stopped checking my stocks and then I came back and then I was up 100%. Now I'm down 30%. Nuh-uh, don't do that. If you're up 100%, I'd rather you take profit and just sit in cash. Sit in cash before you let your money come all the way back down, okay? So let me know your plan, what you like to do. With me, guys, there's a two-pronged approach, okay? Two things I do. One, I trade. So every day I try to make between 1,000 and 2,000 a day. On average, guys, I make around 40,000 a month just trading alone. What am I doing with all that money? Okay, yes, you got to pay taxes. Yes, you got your normal stuff that you're going to eventually pay on. But aside from that, guys, what I'm doing is I'm putting it in my 5 passive income, my 5 dividend stocks. So I'm loading up on Verizon. I'm loading up on Maine. I'm loading up on Capital Southwest. I'm loading up on Altria, or ticker symbol MO. I'm loading up on those. I'm loading up on SPHD. The money goes into there so I don't give it back to Wall Street. Okay, so then from there, I'm also managing, okay, how much. So for instance, if you guys have been with me in SPHD, you're up substantially. If you guys are in SoFi, you're up substantially. And if you guys are in Palantir, you're up. So that's just 3 stocks alone right there. And so if you have to think about, okay, what decisions do I want to make if this was to go higher? If I was to make more money, what am I actually looking for? What is my plan? Do you want to hit a 50% return? Do you want to hit an 80% return? Do you want a 100% return? Okay, if you achieve that, then what are you prepared to do? These are some of the questions you want to ask yourself as you actively manage your portfolio, okay? Because check it out, believe it or not, the market will at some point in time, we don't never know when, we can't time it, it will come back down. And when it come back down, it's going to come back down quick and in a hurry. I'm talking about you will be down 10%. 15%, 20% before you can even get your head wrapped around it, okay? So have a plan, and that's what us successful investors and that's what us successful traders do. We don't enter anything without one, and that's even to the downside. That's even if it's going to result in a loss. You have to know how much you're willing to lose. Guys, nobody is going to play this game and trade every single day without taking some losses. The goal is to win more than you lose. Okay, the goal is to not blow up your account. Okay, and so if you're going to trade. But if you are going to invest. But no matter what you do, have a plan and make sure it's a solid plan and one that you can sleep well at night with. Okay, so I just want to put that on you guys. Palantir is crushing it today. But also, guys, check this out. A stock that I'm eyeing and that I'm looking at heavily right now is PayPal. Okay, I am looking for them to have somewhat of a move on next week as they report earnings. Okay, they report earnings on Tuesday, so the move will be relatively quick or soon. We don't have to wait long is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so if you see this video today, if you have PayPal on your radar, consider looking at them and the potential it has. So you're going to have a two-way opportunity. Okay, if the stock comes down under 72, we go shopping. Okay, so if earnings comes out and they disappoint for whatever reason, okay, if it comes below 72, 71, 70, in the 60s, ideally, that's even better. Boom, you go shopping, you load up. Why? Because I believe this stock is going to 80 and then eventually $105, okay? That is to the upside, all right? Now, if the stock beats on earnings, then they may shoot right to 80 and beyond, okay? So regardless, we're getting there. You guys see what I'm trying to set you up for? Regardless, we're getting there. It's about how you want to get there, okay? So do me a favor, put both of those on your radar, Palantir as well as PayPal, all right? Palantir, in the next 3 to 6 months, I want you guys to look for Palantir to test that $20 level, okay? But PayPal, in the next 30 days, I'm looking for a test of that $80 range, okay? Regardless. So again, I'm trying to prepare you guys on the front end, help you guys crush it, continue to make money on your journey, continue to get closer and closer to your financial goals, okay? Listen, guys, if this was helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure you join the family and join the Discord. Link for that is in the description below, okay? We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey, so do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.